Welcome to iHeartFruitBox, your trusted source for fresh tropical produce. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to prepare sea moss gel. Step number 1 is going to be rinsing the sea moss to remove any naturally occurring salt or seashells that might be contained within the sea moss. Step number 2 is going to be soaking that sea moss in spring water for 24 hours at room temperature. Next up, you're going to want to blend the sea moss with the spring water that you used to soak it until it has a liquid consistency. Now, following blending, you're going to want to pour it into a glass container of your choice and refrigerate. Now, upon refrigerating for a few hours, the gel will thicken and you can add a spoonful or two to any of your favorite smoothies, soups, or hot beverages.